viewers, let's look at the first 20 elements in chemistry for the returned students. So we have the elements. The numbers here is same as the atomic numbers, and these are what? Their symbols. So I'm going to list it out for you. Number 1 is hydrogen, the symbol is H. Number 2 is helium, the symbol is He. Number 3 is lithium, the symbol is Li. Number 4 is beryllium, the symbol is Be. Number 5 is boron, the symbol is B. Number 6 is carbon, the symbol is C. Number 7 is nitrogen, the symbol is N. Number 8 is oxygen, the symbol is O. Number 9 is fluorine, the symbol is F. Number 10 is neon, the symbol is Ne. Number 11 is sodium, the symbol is Na. Number 12 is magnesium, the symbol is Mg. Number 13 is aluminium, the symbol is Al. Number 14 is silicon, the symbol is X. Number 15 is phosphorus, the symbol is P. Number 16 is sulfur, the symbol is X. Number 17 is chlorine, the symbol is Cl. Number 18 is argon, the symbol is Ar. Number 19 is potassium, the symbol is K. And number 20 is calcium, the symbol is Ca. Now, these are their atomic numbers for each of these elements. As a matter of fact, you're supposed to memorize these first 20 elements because you're going to see it in every exam as far as chemistry is concerned. So let's go this way. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, boron, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. See you next time in the next one. Bye.